welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be making cute outfits out of Walmart clothes. Okay, here's the dealio. I do clothing hauls from a lot of stores, but Walmart I don't often do a clothing haul from, or really Target either, and I don't do that because sometimes you just have to like makeshift the outfit because the clothes can be so funky in these stores. Actually, Target has really cute clothes. I take that back about Target, but Walmart, it can be difficult sometimes. I've shopped in their clothing section, you know, my whole childhood, so it's not like I'm saying I'm too good for Walmart. I'm not, but I'm just saying some of the things they come out with are questionable, but they also have staple products. So in today's video, I'm gonna be going to Walmart and showing you guys how I like to shop at Walmart to make clothes super, super trendy, make it look really expensive and nice, but doing it with Walmart clothes. I hope you guys are ready to save some coin and go to Walmart with me, because first we're gonna go buy all the clothes. Having trouble finding my size in everything.
It's Walmart. You don't have your size? I found Laura a boy's husky. So yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit pretty good. Now you know you're a boy's husky.
Okay guys, I am back from Walmart. Let me show you all the goodies. Here are my two Walmart bags. I have to remember to bring, we recycle and reuse these, but I have to remember to bring my actual reusable bags. So we got a ton of really cute pieces. Now I'm gonna show you guys how I would style them. They were really on trend with tie-dye, but only in the guys section. I don't understand why the girls section was so quirky, but the guys had all the cute stuff that girls want. Oh look, another tie-dye. I also got some Flex S, what is this called? I got some thigh slimming shorts, which we're gonna try these on and make a cute outfit out of. For our next outfit, it is a white men's oversized tee, kind of like in Risky Business, I believe the movie is with Tom Cruise. Kind of those vibes. This one is by George. It's a classic fit. I bought it in a medium. The medium is pretty long, but you can just try it on in the store and kind of see what size you want if you want to try this outfit. So the shirt is going to hang like this. And then we have the Spanxy shorts, which these are by Maidenform, just FYI. To be honest, they didn't have my size in the black ones of the Jockey Life, which I like better, but they didn't have my size. But they do have these in black, which I do prefer because they're cheaper and they look a little better in the Jockey Life, so try to get those if you're gonna try this outfit. But I went and got the Maidenforms ones, and the reason I don't really live is because they have this marking right here, so they kind of look like Spanx, so you would have to kind of keep the shirt overall, but then you still get the nice legging part where it looks like really nice, like some biker shorts going on there. And then, so these were 20 bucks by the way, so they were a little more pricey. The shirt was $9, and then this black tank top that I got was $2.88. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But again, they also had bandeaus. I just wanted to get a top so I could show you guys. And I really like this top. I'll be wearing it multiple times, guys, for $2. So really cute, affordable outfit. And I think it's just super chic. You can wear it with a chunky white tennis shoe, and it's very trendy. Okay guys, this is the first outfit, and what I've done here is I bought this little bralette, and then I got these Spanx shorts, which look like little biker shorts. I think they're super cute. Just didn't have my size in them, so I went with these, which I actually think is fine because the big blue shirt covers it. And then I actually got this shirt in the men's section. This is like a men's dress shirt, and I love wearing these over dresses. I love wearing these with blue jean shorts tied around my waist. So I always buy these a little oversized. I think this one is a large, and yeah, I wear it to cover the outfit, and I think this looks like a pretty black onesie. And then the shirt, it's kind of like a nice little cover up. Alrighty, for this one you may be thinking, where the heck is the rest of the outfit? Well, let me tell you something, baby. Okay, let me tell you guys. So I wear biker shorts all the time, and what I have found is that Spanx make really great soft tummy support biker shorts. So I've been wearing them a lot, and for the top, you can either button this, which is a really cute look, like that, Or Walmart has bandeaus that are a nude color that you can wear just like a bandeau and kind of button the middle button and like let the top of the bandeau show, which is what I typically do. However, they did not have my size in it, so it would have looked silly trying it on. So I just am going to pair this with one of my Skims bandeaus that look very similar to some of the ones at Walmart. But this is the shirt. I found it in a men's section. I bought it in a size large, so it would be oversized, and it looks like this. I have a ton of these flannelly plaid shirts. It's really nice and flannel, guys. I got a ton of these from Urban Outfitters that I wear all the time. So I'm like, why am I spending that much money on these whenever you can find them at Walmart? And they have so many different colors. Another reason I like to buy this in a large is so that it hangs below my booty. So it's almost like a plaid dress in a way with just some shorts underneath it. So this nice plaid shirt is $9.98, guys. The ones, the other shorts I bought are just like ridiculous price. So I'm gonna be sticking to my Walmart plaid shirts. I wear plaid almost like every day of the week. I don't know why I have an addiction to it, but I do. This is called the Slip Short. It is specifically by Jockey Life. There is the brand right there. Guys, these are also $9.98. So it's like a $20 outfit. If you button it up, you may have to pay a little more if you choose to buy a bandeau with it, which I'm gonna do. Just an extremely trendy outfit for a very low cost. Okay, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the next outfit because it's kind of the same situation. This is probably my favorite piece that I found there. I love big oversized plaid shirts, and this one's really fleecy and soft, so I was obsessed. They actually had a crazy amount of plaid there, which, you know, I was really excited about. So what I did is I bought the nude Spanx. These don't have the lines, and these even look way more like biker shorts, but I would wear nude underwear with them, which I am. I had one almost identical to this there, but again, they didn't have my size. So I just needed a medium, you know, and they didn't have that. So I was like, well, I have one at home, but just know you can pick one up at Walmart if you can find your size, so you can probably find one on Walmart's website. And then I put the men's plaid shirt on top like I did the white one, and I think I even like this outfit better. It's so cute, very trendy, and I love the way it looks, especially because it is so comfortable. Okay, this next one is super short and to the point, but it is an oversized tie-dye. Tie-dye is so trendy right now, and I love the fall tones on this. This looks like a crisp autumn leaf. So I just bought a larger size, and I wear it like a dress, super comfortable and warm for fall. This one is a men's large. By the way, it's on the men's sections, and it's by No Boundaries. I think they had different color tie-dyes too. I just personally love this one so much because of the autumn colors. Oh. Also, it was like $16, so it was a really good deal. And I think it's really cute, so let's try it on. Okay guys, this is our next outfit, and this one's super simple and really easy to create. I was shocked at how cute these freaking men's hoodies were. They had different colors in them. And so I picked this one up in an extra large. And what I like to do with these is make a cozy fall time dress, like a hoodie dress out of these oversized sweater. And also it is super comfortable to wear. So not only is it really cute, super affordable, really easy to style, because all you have to do is throw your Air Force Ones on and girl, you'll be ready to go, or any sneaker you have. And it's really comfortable, so this one is one of my faves. Okay, for our next outfit, it may be something I picture in my head cuter because I have not tried this on, so I don't really know how cute it's gonna be. But I picked up these wide-legged jeans from the boys section. They are by Wonder Nation. I got a 16. They're a relaxed fit. So the wide-legged jeans is coming back in style more, and I thought they would be cute, kind of loose on with a tied-up white tank top. Very 90s. 90s is coming back. Hallelujah, because I love the fashion. But this is a cute tank top. I bought it oversized so you could kind of see a bandeau underneath it hanging, because that's like kind of what you did in the 90s and the early 2000s. Like you always layered and like had like a bandeau. That was a popular thing to do. So this was $3. You know, these are really affordable, and I thought it was a really cute outfit, but when I try it on, I may change my mind. So just bear with me on this one, please. Okay guys, for our next outfit, it is supposed to be super 90s, not chic. This is like a grunge everyday 90s. Well, not even really grunge, because I remember grunge back in the 90s and it was way more than this. Although this outfit does need a chain on the side very badly. I think it's really cute. I was looking for these exact jeans, or jeans this style, out of the men's section, but they just didn't have a size small enough. So I went to the juniors and I got a size that fits me, kinda. So I think they're really cute though, and they're wide leg jeans. I'm pairing them with Air Force Ones, and then I got this white tank top, which I layered up with a bandeau, which is just so 90s. It was all about layering and like wife beaters, plain little tanks and stuff like that. So that is the next outfit. And oh, I got this out of the women's section. It was $2.88. Okay guys, this is another outfit. All I did is switch out the bottom for the pants. So if you didn't want to wear the Spanx out in public, or if you're not comfortable with that, this is another option. I got these jeans at Walmart. They're super, super, super stretchy. And I just threw on my bandeau with it. And I have this oversized plaid shirt. You can kind of wear a sloppily, like off the shoulders, which I do like to wear it like this because it's like cooler, or you can wear it like this. And I think it's really cute either way. So I really like this outfit. I also bought one more shirt that I'm gonna show you guys and try on, and I think it'll be really cute with these jeans. Alrighty, for our next outfit, I chose this purple tie-dye shirt because it looks very similar to the one that I've had from Urban Outfitters. And this shirt was a little more pricey side because of the name brand for Walmart. The brand is Chemistry. I picked it up in a medium and it's $17, which is still extremely much more affordable than Urban Outfitters, guys. These shirts from Urban Outfitters can be 30, 40, 50 bucks, if not more. So I think it's really cute. Tie-dye has become extremely popular. So I think this shirt is really trendy right now. And then to keep this outfit really casual, I just paired it with these super high-rise jeans. I love high-rise jeans. And these are by No Boundaries. I got a size 3. The 3 is a little tight on me. I normally wear around a 2, 3, and the 3 is pretty gosh darn tight. If they weren't stretchable, they probably wouldn't fit. So I would go up a size in these. I wish I got a 4 or 5 in them. Have some distressing down the legs, and these are jeans that you can wear with absolutely everything, and they're super, super stretchy. So really comfortable to wear. The jeans were 14 bucks, which is a heck of a deal. Even at like the cheapest popular stores, you can find jeans for 14 bucks. So the outfit altogether is at 31 bucks, and I think it is affordable, and it's really a dupe for an outfit that you could easily find at stores like Urban Outfitters. So I'm gonna try it on for you now. Okay guys, for the last piece, it is this t-shirt, again, out of the men's section. I don't know where this stuff was for ladies, but hello. So basically me and Ty have this shirt. This is like a dupe for it. We have the Subline one from Urban Outfitters.
I'm wearing it right
now. I have it in orange, and they basically made a dupe for it in this purple color, which I love the color. So hey, it's a dupe from Walmart, and I think the shirt's really cute, and I just paired it with the Walmart jeans that I found, which are super high-waisted, by the way, so that is like pretty amazing. And yeah, I think this makes like a super casual, cozy summer outfit, but trendy, or fall, because you know, the jeans. All right guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys got some great style tips from Walmart, even though we mostly shopped in the men's section, but that's okay. This was super fun to film and create. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn your notifications on, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.